Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix Windows Update error code 0xc1420121. So to resolve this issue, click on Start, then open Settings. Now here guys, you have to click on Troubleshoot, then click on Other Troubleshooters. Now here guys, underneath Windows Update, click on Run. Now follow the instruction if you see in this window. So follow the instruction, and once this is complete, close it and restart. And after restart, you can try another method. Click on Start, type here CMD, right click on command prompt and run as administrator. Here guys, you have to type one simple command, sfc /scan now, then press enter. And guys, also this command will take couple of minutes, so complete this process, and once this complete, restart your PC or laptop again. So hopefully guys, after restart you can fix and resolve Windows Update error 0xc1420121. Thanks for watching. Please comment this method work for you or not.